mum just said, "Oh, you bloody racist!" My brother just. It's very early now. When we were growing up, your hair was way cut.
My grandma said, "Where's the presents? Better go big."
That everything that you have labored for, you will taste it while you are alive.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
It's your boy Josie over here and it's your girl Victoria.
I'm already gonna cry.
Hola guys and gals, welcome back. I just want to apologize for taking so long to edit this vlog. I really was trying to avoid it like the plague because just a small disclaimer honestly has taken the most out of me to try and get through it because I'm just so cringy, but it came from my heart, and you know, after a few back and forths with myself, I decided I'm still going to put it out there because it came from my heart. Big thank you for wanting to be a part of such a special moment for my mum. I persevered and here we are. Enjoy!
Thank you for support. Mom, I just want to say that I love you so much. And me and my mom have a very close. Guys, it's alright. Everyone face the wall. We have a very close relationship. As we've gotten older, it's just been much stronger. But I remember because I was the youngest, every time the oldies used to get dropped off to school and I would be last, I would always tell my mom I didn't want to go. So like there was one year where I didn't go to school for like 70% of the year. And Mum, you're so special to me. You're always in my corner when I think of every milestone. You're always there to advise me and to counsel me. And and when I think back to our the way we grew up, then when they come only mom and dad, makiba ko ay. Asa ko ko mafai pesa ini se manguya wa ma ko fa. You know ma ko manguya. Ma wonga ko ngai. O ma ko I don't know, Mum, but Mum promised not to me out last year. And Mum will see coming up with my old fire on me. I remember. And I'm so blessed to be able to do this for you, Mum. Okay. I love you so much. You're so especially bad like a young What's in the box? What's in the box? Wow. You have million. Wow.
How am I supposed to go after that? I just want to testify of how special Auntie Soso is to us as my family. Ever since Auntie Soso and Uncle Boy brought us over here, you have treated us like your own kids. I remember we we came with nothing but a suitcase. And it was a Sunday. Auntie came and she looked at our clothes and she said, "Only I'm gonna come again on a shopping." But you loved us, like you loved your kids, Auntie, and I'm so blessed to have you and call you my auntie. On behalf of me and my whole family, you have done so many things. And I thank God and continue that God blesses you with many more years to come. So I can bless you, not right now.
Mama, I've known you since I was 14 years old. I am now 22. What makes me so happy and overjoyed is the fact that you both treat me like your own. You don't treat me differently. You don't see me as, yes, we are not blood related, but you treat me as if I was born out of you. And I don't know how to explain that kind of love. You know, I don't have my parents here in Australia, but I see you both as my parents. It just shows the kind of person that you are as a mother. So humble, so loving and caring, giving. That's just who you are. And I see that in all your children. I love the relationship that you have with your children. It makes me want to have that kind of relationship with my parents back home. And your relationship has caused me to now start that relationship with my parents.
Amen.
That trip that I took to Samoa at the end of last year, I have never felt like that, like the way I did when I went to Samoa. And it was all because of you two, and that's why I really wanted to see you and Papa back in Samoa, but obviously we were all too busy to catch up. But yeah, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. And I love you so much.
My turn. Hello everyone. Mor sira fia o lo ingoa. O lo ingoa kuai. O no sia sopo ia Uelese. My new name is Sia Alofamoni Kaira. And I am the firstborn of Queen Soso. And I just want to share some sweet memories that I have of Mum. Dad said when he made his speech earlier, he referred to me as his belly, which means in Samoan, my dear. It's like your beloved, your cherished. And that is very true of my memory of growing up. I was Daddy's girl. Our bond was not affectionate, but I knew that whatever I'd say to my dad, he would do it. And I knew for Mum, whatever I would say, Mum would do. That's why if my siblings testify, they say anything they wanted from Mum, they will come to me and say, go and tell Mum, buy us some lollies, buy us some ice blocks, buy us some chocolates, and then she goes shopping. Because go and tell Mum, let us go, because that's true. Whatever I would say, if my siblings ask, Mum says no. If I say, Mum says, okay, yes. I always knew that from Mum. She favored me so much, but I loved my dad more. I'm telling the truth. Growing up, I loved my dad more than I loved my mom, because my dad treated me like a son. Now that I'm older and I am a mom myself, and I know the challenges of having a boy who has a mind of his own. Just one boy. I look at my mom, and now I can understand she had 6 children. And I think, how on earth did my mom do that? Now, sa'o le iloa le loa lofa whamaoni na ia mako e whaingo mako o mako rai o se mea e maki whakainisia ke le ngofu file he sa'o le malamalama. I didn't understand Mum's true love when I was growing up until I became a mum myself. Now I look at you, Mum, I see strong woman. Yes. I see prayerful woman. I see loving woman. And it's true what Uelese said. O ka kaloa ia o mako, o mai e whaaka, whawhekai, whawhekai ia pua ia. I think of my mum, my grandmother. Mum's mum died when Mum was 3 years old. And I look at all these years that we have with you. I'm so blessed. I remember one time I said to Mum, Mum, all my friends at work, their mums go to work. How come you don't go to work? And Mum said, no, I can't go work because who's going to look after you all? And I said, yeah, but we have more money if you go to work with that. You see how a child mind thinks. Mum said, well, my lie au ki mofo. Look at how God has blessed us. It's not been easy. I've come to know what it's like to be a strong wife, to be a prayerful wife, because my dad is a very hard man. He has his own sharp points. But I've seen Mum stand strong as a wife. O se example moa. Every time I feeling aile ia whainga ka o leona. Ke mama kua o mawhawha. How did this woman come through the challenges of life? If she can do it, I can do it. But my mom was raised by her dad, so she was very hard. Now that we are older, she's very soft, very girly. She's very girly now. When we were growing up, her hair was boy cut all the time. She used to get into fights with dad. When people would fight dad, she'd fight too. That's the type of woman that Mum is. And Mum loves, she's such a loyal woman. Yes. You are so many examples to me, Mum. Yeah. Now, I was Daddy's girl when I was younger. Now I'm Mum's daughter. I'm so proud to call you my Mum. Thank you, Mum, for being loyal to Dad. Thank you for staying and being faithful and for believing in me. But that's the type of woman you are, Mum. You're young. I pray that you will stay young, you'll be healthy. Your great-grandchildren will meet you, and your grandchildren will serve you. Amen. May your enemies come to your promotion table. I'm praying for you, Mum, that everything that you have labored for, you will taste it while you're alive. Amen. And your children will bring you joy, not tears, not disgrace, but you will bask as the queen that you deserve to be. Amen. I love you. Happy birthday.
My name is Zaya, and I just wanted to say to Auntie that she's a very loving woman, and that she was always there for me when I was younger. And I wanted to say thank you for always helping my mom. and our family, and thank you for the zucchinis. And happy birthday, and I love you.
Elena Isula, si Elvina, welcome my early tonight, honest food on Topsam. O oil sitina lofa, o oil sitina ele fai no malang. Teleto sama sata to valava. I was a fire lavele ila wala tanto titue. Fenoaia, Fatai, Tua, Potoi, Almaya, Ponata, Potato, Mafita, Potato, Mawale, Paulita. Otemana Tua Lama, Lasso, no, Tabumay, Australia, Tele Loco, and Manitoba, or Lomasio Maname. Tasio Topsa, Otemana Tua, Motalu Manifali, and I'll tell you one year. And want to Mama to say, May I, Fatalia to any Malama, Lokin Tamata, Kamatama, Sao no Fumo Tilo, Baba, boy, oh, our woman to I lava Ledua Lofa, Elena Tayabo, or Matua, or to an animal also. A leo will fight Bella and Rema, Lelofa, is your time. First time was I for the timing Fiana only tomato of a child or Leona as I to my Ipsos one yet. The divine of your time. Oleana, Fafitai. My only lot. My way out really the names of some. I will mouth the oil, the Olaman Manos. Only Nana might say, singing like it. Fair myself, Madam there. For my brother Dennis and sister Ingrid, I was just sharing how mom treated me when I first came. When I first arrived to Australia, mom and dad were at my parents' house. They came over, brought food, waited for us. And from since then, mom has always shown love. We parted ways for many years, but the Lord has brought us back together. Amen. And mom is still, she hasn't changed. Amen. Ole. Bye, Male Audi, no. Amen. Oi for 69, Bayuna to like there, Salani support is your man. My Sawai, your pastor, 5 for Sita from we are Lavado was yeah, I Masalo say Matsuatele, it does say a final runner.
So I said my mom's birthday, say face on Budima, and show everyone here. Yes, I know how to fuss her more. Thank you very much.
Amen.
May nagkilfong niya.
E mungo lava no si ile viinga mafafai le stua monei tau sana e tele mo papo poina isio tina e tele ya tia ale I faya lo moni mapupu mo le tina e le mafai lava na ngalo le fa maoni le atua ya te oi e ala I talo sana malau au na ile o le tala e masani na e whaasua mai, e whapia. O wasua ia, a o laititi, e tele o taimi, o te nofo mautangi. Mau mawhauwhau, ana soifua si o tina, ai nonga o te o le whapia. O te manatua lau talo sama rea I le li. O se te talo ua ia talia ina mowe. Mom, e tele lona. O oi se tina e whaamahoni. I lo tū i le tato wāhinga. O te mana tua se mai taini o lai titi o iai i lea o ngā. E lele leiso a hua. E tele o whai a o ngā mai. I'm not good. I'm naughty in school. I did not have a good schooling. My dad will come. My dad is a very wise man. I was very scared of my dad. But my dad's English was not so strong. And I would get in trouble in school a lot because I would write back to front. The teacher is talking, I'm not getting what she's saying. So I would end up saying to the teacher, hey, your breath stinks. Hey, teacher, can you go? And I would cause trouble. Then they said, oh, go to the principal's office. When I get to the principal's office, I'm now begging, please don't call my dad, don't call my dad. The principal called my dad. And then I would say, can you call my mom? Call my mom, call my mom to come with my dad. My dad was very wise. He would try and speak to the principal, and God help me then, used me as the translator. My dad said, what is the principal saying? The principal was saying, Molly is not very good. She's very naughty. She caused trouble. And I would say to my dad, Leo, like to bellow my My dad is looking at me. My dad is getting that I'm saying something that's not right. And I'm looking at my mom like, help me, help me. My mom caught her. She knew the husband that she had was a strong, tough man. Mom came and I told my mom. I said to my dad, Lei, a racist le fire over. Racist dad. My dad is asking me to ask them, why am I suspended? My eyes must have been communicating to my mom. The minute that I said, Lei mom, o le racist here la ko, le fa mai o ka ko black and this and that. The minute I said that, my mom just said, oh, you bloody racist! My mom she was just my savior. My dad looked at her and said, my mom has always been my supporter. She has always looked after and loved her children to the core. So, Mom, I love you so much. I'm so proud to call you my mom. You know, I look at you and I feel, you know, oh, that's my mom. I love you, Mom. God bless. Amen. Wow. So, if I eat up foul, if they come up, all I say, it's a birthday fucking day. Wow, it's going to be kind people who are going to be Malawi. They're going to be high. Just mga away lang, pero pwede yan. Away pa sa mga kini mga away, ano away din pala ay na-celebrate. Okay na ilo, kung nila yan. Okay na ilo. Ay, kung mga kaya yan. Ang awa ako kini pa ay so, grandmother, yung kamaro kingan, okay pa ay po rin malo kingan. I never see my mom. My mom died was 3 years old. Okay, then put mo siya ka, okay pa ay na. Mga tua, legal sama le lua, tua nanti, apa kau sana kau stroke, now 60 years old, kau sana stroke, sepuluh kau sana otak leo, lelak semua gay, ya, nopo sepuluh kau sana, ya mak lero phone di bilang kau singa. Fa fe kaya kuya sio po lu pel e pa ma halo po ya ke fe ni o ke pa ma ku ma ta ma ai ma po de po na o se kamale de o mo pa se kinale de le e ka ni o ke pa ma ku ma ta ma o mo ma o se le le ta ai ane po ma ka pa Kalau ia mau kau mau miskau sana sekali, kita berkait nak faham, mau dia umah, leh ia sendiri kasih, okey loai, apa jadi kau ni aku kau kasih, boleh kamu, boleh main phone sana ya kaya umia, wah okey, dia orang faham kakak, bas kau sana, kau orang faham kakak, E moea samana ni. Au ke po kuri mo pangi mo pa au ya ni. O pungi wa ko maka le lea pa mena la. Asa na mai ai mo pinga ngana. Mo asa se malai ba. Mo asa se pu. O ra pa ka. Nele ke le ka mi kai ba le so vini. Ai po ina ni ka po. O le ke man pua muskuro pa tana ma mo foi ma matama ai. Mau ini paling ni usila. Mau saya makan. Mau kalau awal ni ada. Mak ngapong di pom. Tak lihat. Pohon ini kita mesti cuma aman. Okey pohon ini yang mau. Ada pohon ini. Ayah Yesus setina oseina. I love you, Pia. Okay, there's a story as to why there's no candle. Back in the days, there never was a candle when she was born. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Manuela was so fun.
Oil Sitina, he pay on the top, waiting to see if I to auto school fantasy.
Oh my gosh, I've probably got some marks under my eyes, but it's been a very nice, wonderful, emotional, intimate night with the family. I've enjoyed it so much and I hope Mum has enjoyed it even more. You can't hear me, everyone's shouting.
Yeah, Chrissy!
That's it there.
Oh, hey guys.
Yeah.
It's your boy, Darnell.
Darnell Farnell.
If you wanna, if any girls are sheep.
No, I'm cutting that one out. Oh my god.
Any girls are sheep.
Showing Mom her cup.
Oh, and it's even got a thingy on the top, whatever it's called.
Roof rack.
Oh, it's got a bar.
My mum is so stoked.
That's awesome. Good on you. He's an actual Ford Ranger.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at my drink.
This little thing
Oh, and
here.
you brought a double cap so for the kids.
Oh, it was more for me.
Hey, hold on.
Mum, kuloinga. Smile.
No, are you taking them off? This is exactly the same as mine.
Yeah, so my parents both want to ride in their car.
Yeah, they're nice.
The tray for all of Dad's tools.
Yeah.
Both my parents are so excited to drive their new car that they have given me their old car keys, and Aussie's going to pick me up because he's going to drive my car. As I told you guys, he is already in this car. I'm telling you, they are truly so happy.
See you later, Actadiddles!
Actadiddles? What the heck is that?
Bye, Toodle-Doodles!
Look at these guys.
Where are you guys going?
Ah? Hey ho.
And you're my brother, Johnson.
Kissy, let's say kissy. Mom, how did you feel?
I feel so happy. Thank you, Aussie, and
How was
Dodgy
it driving in your car?
oh, good.
Nice and smooth?
Yes. Our brake pulling out.
I think my present is just gonna go right back in my pocket.
Oh, that's it, guys. So I'm going to end off the vlog here. Thank you so much if you've made it this far to it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a blessed night, blessed day. And thank you also in advance for all of my mum's birthday wishes. Wishing her a happy birthday. So thank you.
Oh wait, before we go, my grandma said, where's the presents for everyone? No, guys.
We'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully. SB Squad
Instagram.
signing out.
Add me on
Happy birthday,
Snapchat.
Mum. Love you so, so much.
Add me on Snapchat.